Like it, play it, share it, sing it, move it, check it, dedicate it. Like it, play it, share it, sing it, move it, check it, dedicate it. Go do it.
किसी ने एकदम right बोला है. Always do things that make you happy. And your social jockey Nikita is gonna follow that. Well, वो कैसे? It's simple. By playing your requested songs, giving you Twitter updates. For now, let's take our first request. So let's see what my cool Mitashi play has to say. Our first request is कैसे बताऊं, dedicated by Amit Kumar to Kalpana, and उनका message is, I really love her, but उसे अपनी feelings समझा नहीं पा रहा हूँ और उसे बता नहीं पा रहा हूँ, इसलिए play the song. Now that's a good romantic start to a Sunday. तो आपकी feelings को express करने के लिए this song is specially for Kalpana. After this romantic start, it's time to go to our next request. So let's see. It's तुमी हो बंधु जो request किया है प्रतीक्षा श्रेष्ठा ने for Deepika Padukone, and उनका message is, I dedicate this song to my favorite actress Deepika. I really love her. I love her eyes and her cute dimples, and I want to meet her once. Please everyone pray that my dream will come true. So this one's for you, Dips. So Deepika's got one big fan out there. चलिए, आपकी तरफ से हम भी pray करते हैं that hopefully you get to see her one day, and the song is specially for her. So guys, that was तुम ही हो बंधु from Cocktail. फिलहाल जरा मैं आपको ये दिखाती हूँ कि who's busy making बंधु with whom these days. Recently, John Abraham has tweeted saying, Mumbai traffic police rocks. These guys do a great job. My two friends off the ceiling. हमें सब पता है, इतनी तेज बाइक चलाओगे तो कॉप से दोस्ती तो करनी पड़ेगी. Well, moving on, जरा हम अपनी अगली रिक्वेस्ट देख लेते हैं, which is Rapta requested by Shravika Singh for Rehan Kamal, and उनका message is, I would like to dedicate this song to Rehan because there is a great story behind this song related to my life. Mysterious. भाई हमें भी तो बताओ कि what is the great story? आप लोग ऐसे ना मुझे हमेशा curious छोड़ देते हैं and then I'm wondering what is the main story. तो next time जब message लिखो, please specify details. For now, you can just enjoy the song. You guys don't go anywhere. Keep chit-chatting with me on my Twitter handle @GoZoomIt, and I'll be right back.
Go zoom it. Go zoom it.
Welcome back, guys. You're watching Zoom It, and this is our social jockey Nikita. It's time to move on to our next request for the day, which is Khiladi Mashup, जो request किया है पृथ्वी राज ने सुमित शर्मा के लिए, and उनका message is, we are the Khiladi gang of our school. When we are lonely, we mash up our loneliness with Khiladi Mashup and sing it. When we are lonely. एक बात बताओ, इतने सारे लोग एक साथ lonely कैसे हो सकते हैं? And अगर आप लोग खिलाड़ी gang हैं, तो then why are you lonely? चलिए, everyone needs a reason to sing, so this is yours. अब इस खिलाड़ी mashup के बाद एक जरा friendship song play करते हैं, because our next request is हर एक friend, which is dedicated by Sai Lakshmi Charita Ande to Yukta Pragnani, and उनका message is, whenever I listen to this song, I feel like कि हर एक friend कमीना होता है. I can say this by seeing that everyone that is our friends, Navya the doggy, Pratusha the idiot, Ruhi the kitty cat, and last but not the least, Ramya the terrorist. Oh my God! जितना लंबा आपका नाम है, उतनी लंबी आपकी so called कमीने friends की list है. And आपने तो उनको subtitles भी दे दिए. Now I'll only have to cover up for that. So guys, just chill, nothing being serious out here. So that was हर एक friend कमीना होता है. वैसे friendship से याद आया, look who's burning up right now. It's Ali Zafar and Rishi Kapoor, where Ali Zafar tweets saying, my first meeting with the legendary Rishi Kapoor had us challenge each other to a tap dance, caught on camera. Challenge, that was Rishi Kapoor. Tough time, huh, Ali? I'm gonna take one short break. You guys keep watching Zoom It.
Go zoom it. Go zoom it.
Welcome back, guys. You're watching Zoom It, and this is your social jockey Nikita. Time to move on to our next request. My cool Mitashi Place says our next request is Hookah Bar, जो request किया है आर्यन सिंह ने दिया के लिए, and उनका message is, our love is in the universe. My girlfriend Diya loves this song Hookah Bar. Baby, I really love you. This is for you. My life is blank without you. Missing you. Come back soon from Goa. Yes, I get it that you really love Diya. So जब तक she doesn't come back from Goa, enjoy some Hookah Bar. इस गाने को सुनकर थोड़ा जैम शैम करने का मन करता है, नहीं? Well, आपका तो पता नहीं, but look what Ayushmann Khurrana is up to. He recently tweeted saying, jamming with Raghu Dixit, the L's of Gurgaon. Good Lord, Ayushmann, पहले VJing, फिर singing, then acting, and now jamming. Looks like you're not gonna leave any stone unturned. वैसे अच्छी बात है, लाइफ में सब कुछ ट्राई करना चाहिए. हम क्या ट्राई करेंगे? अपनी अगली रिक्वेस्ट. So let's see our next request. It is मैं सेंटी हूँ जो रिक्वेस्ट किया है शिवानी वर्मा ने ऑस्टिन वर्मा के लिए, and उनका मैसेज इज दिस सॉन्ग इज माई फेवरेट. I love it, so this song is for you. Your board exams are going to be hell, so take some relief and go senti with this song. Best of luck for your exams. वैसे don't go on the lyrics of this song. This song will only get you a little dancing. And not to forget, जिनके board exams आ रहे हैं, उनको मेरी तरफ से भी all the best. Guys, इस गाने को सुनकर मैं इतनी सेंटी हो गई हूँ कि एक छोटा सा ब्रेक तो बनता है. So till then, keep chit-chatting with me on my Twitter handle @KosumIt, and I'll be right back.
Go zoom it. Go zoom it.
Welcome back, guys. This is your social jockey Nikita, और आप देख रहे हैं Zoom It. मेरे साथ है the king, the lawyer of comedy, Arshad Warsi, aka Jolly LLB.
Right.
Welcome to Zoom It, Arshad.
Thank you very much.
So firstly, Arshad, I'm really curious to know, आप क्या करते हैं अपनी jolly nature को update रखने के लिए? Like,
Okay.
what makes you so jolly?
I don't know. I mean, it's क्या कहते हैं, inherent sense of humor है. But somewhere down the line, I personally feel that sense of humor is very important to have. If you don't have it, you must cultivate it. You must try and get it from somewhere. Like there's a very profound saying by Mahatma Gandhi who said that if I didn't have a sense of humor, I would have committed suicide a long time back. So therefore, you realize that the man in the most serious business also needed humor to survive. So I personally feel that, boss, you got to have sense of humor.
So now we finally know what is the secret behind Jolly being so jolly. So Arshad, this show is actually about connecting people to Bollywood celebs Twitter world. तो मैं लोगों को छोटे-छोटे Twitter updates देती रहती हूँ बीच में. Recently, Prabhu Deva has tweeted saying Chandigarh people are very sweet and warm. That's lovely to know, Mr. Dance Guru. And Dance Guru से याद आया, Arshad, you had started off your career as a choreographer.
Yes.
So tell me something about that.
Okay, I used to be a choreographer. जो बॉम्बे में जो इंग्लिश प्लेज होते हैं ना, जैसे वो भरत डबोलकर के एंड आलिक पदमसी के म्यूजिकल्स होते हैं, दे आर लाइक काइंड ऑफ a very Broadway-ish kind of a thing. तो उसमें choreography I used to do, and I used to enjoy that time.
Yeah.
Because I have this crazy love for dancing.
चलिए, इससे याद आया, जरा हम अपनी अगली रिक्वेस्ट को जरा देख लें, which is सांस जो डेडिकेट किया है Forget Me Not ने सेवी के लिए, and उनका मैसेज is I am incomplete without you, you are incomplete without me, but we are perfectly complete together because we are made for each other and I love you a lot. ये जितना रोमांटिक सॉन्ग है उतनी रोमांटिक रिक्वेस्ट है.
बहुत ज़्यादा है.
जिससे मुझे याद आया, you are romancing with Amrita Rao in the movie.
Right.
And there also Jolly is a very struggling character. So what do you want to say about that?
No, it's a very beautiful relationship that we have in this film, and she's a teacher, and he's a struggling lawyer, and they are from Meerut, you know. So the whole what do you call sensibility and the dialect and all that is very interesting. I mean, I like the way they talk. So the way they interact with each other, I mean, how a guy in Meerut would interact or probably woo his girl is quite interesting, which is what I am in the film. Which is where I tell her, I said, अभी तक तो किस भी नहीं करने दिया तूने. It just sounds so weird.
So एक मेरठ के अंदाज में जरा how about you play this song for us?
What song is that? Saas.
It's Saas from Jab Tak Hai Jaan.
I don't know how would they do it. It's very Delhi tone. वो जी सांस गाना देख लीजिए आप, वो जब तक है जहाँ की फिल्म का कमाल की पिक्चर है, बहुत सारी सांस चल रही है वहाँ पे, रोमांस भी हो रहा है.
So guys, that was Saas from Jab Tak Hai Jaan. वक्त हो गया है हम अपनी जरा अगली रिक्वेस्ट को देखें, which is सैयारा, जो डेडिकेट किया है आयुष खेतान ने to Ajay, and उनका मैसेज is this song is my favorite song and also of my friend Ajay. This is dedicated to Ajay. He loves the tune of this song and he loves to play it on the piano. Thanks for this, bro. Love you. Well, it's good to know आपको पियानो बजाना अच्छा लगता है, and उससे याद आया this song Sayyara is a very popular song. And आपकी मूवी का भी एक सॉन्ग है मेरे तो L लग गए. Like Arjun, I'm really curious to know ये L. What does this L stand for?
Oh God! Don't ask me that question. Well, what do you call it? In a more polite manner, I would say it stands for law. Lord. So that's what the song is about, and it's actually, I'll tell you what, it tells you the state of Jolly, where he is, how messed up he is in life. So it's about that.
Chaliye, that's nice to know. At least Arjun has told us what this L stands for. So आप लोग जरा
Don't misunderstand.
Yeah, don't misunderstand that.
It's a good family film.
For now, you guys enjoy this song. So guys, that was our last request for the show. लेकिन जाने से पहले Arshada, I should also tell you कि इतने सारे messages आते हैं, so we also select the best message of the day. So let's see what our best message is. I think that message जो एक बहुत ही romantic song का था, where he says, I am incomplete without you, you are incomplete without me, but we are perfectly complete together because we are made for each other and I love you a lot.
I know, I thought you were talking about a suit actually. A pant is no use without a coat, and a coat is no use without a pant. Together they make a suit. I just fell like that.
That's why I say the king of comedy is sitting with me. Anyway, so guys, this message was by Forget Me Not for Sylvie, and that is our best message for the day. So with this, it's a wrap. लेकिन उससे पहले, thank you so much for coming on the show, Arshad.
Pleasure.
I hope Jolly LLB is great, and at least मैं तो उसको देखने जाने वाली हूँ. So you guys also don't miss the movie, and you people are going to see me next week, same time, same place. Till then, you know what you're supposed to be doing. Keep sending in your requests on apps.facebook.com/gozoomit, and मुझसे बातें करते रहिएगा on my Twitter handle @gozoomit. This is your social jockey Nikita saying goodbye, and don't just like it, or you're going to do this with me. Go zoom it.
Go zoom it and watch Jolly LLB.
Go zoom it.